In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design your itch.io page step by step, so you can give your project or profile a much more polished, professional look. Whether you're creating a game page, a jam submission, or just want your profile to stand out, this is one of the easiest ways to make your page feel more branded and more appealing to visitors. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your itch.io account and head over to the project or profile page that you want to edit. This is the page where your design changes will appear, so make sure you're on the right one before you start. If you're working on a game page, open that specific project. If you're updating your personal profile, go to your profile page instead. Once you're there, look at the top admin navigation bar. This bar gives you access to the settings and customization tools for that page. In that menu, click the Edit Theme button. This is the main tool you'll use to design the look and feel of your itch.io page. After clicking it, an interactive panel will slide out on the left side of your screen. This panel is where all the customization happens, and it makes it easy to preview changes as you go. From here, you can adjust fonts, colors, and images to match the style you want. If you want a darker theme, a brighter layout, a more retro look, or something that matches your game's branding, this is where you can start shaping that design. Take your time and experiment with the options. Try different fonts to see what feels readable and fits your project. Adjust the colors so your text, buttons, and background work well together. Then update the images to add personality and make your page more visually interesting. The key is to keep everything consistent and easy to read, because a clean layout usually looks better than one that feels too crowded. As you make changes, watch how the preview updates so you can see what your visitors will experience. That way, you can quickly spot anything that looks off and fine-tune it before saving. Once you're happy with the result, your itch.io page will have a more custom design that better represents your project or profile. And that's the basic process for designing an itch.io page. If you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.